Hey everyone, it's your girl, Cosmix Wonderland. Me and my husband have been renovating our bathroom, total remodel, and it turned out amazing. If you guys want to see the process of how it was done day by day, then stay tuned. I've got clips of daily work and everything so you guys can see the transformation. I'm in the finished bathroom right now, and it is amazing. I love it. There are no befores, just because the bathroom was so ugly. I didn't want to show you, but trust me, it has come a long way. It's nowhere near what it used to be. Let's go. Day one.
There's a little tarp. I wish it was bubble wrap, but it's not.
Oh my gosh, this is insane! Nothing's. Oh look, there's a smiley face on the wall. Cause I'm gonna be a happy wifey. You see the smiley, honey? Yeah. Mia's checking it out. What's going on? Where's our bathroom? Where'd it go? I don't like this. It's just That's where the toilet was. That's where our shower used to be. Man, they got shit done today. And that's where our sink was. I didn't even know that this ugly wallpaper was there. It was covered, you know? That's where our mirrors were. But this trailer was built in around 1979? Yeah, so it's close to 50 years old. And back in the day, that was some really cool wallpaper. I cannot, oh my gosh, like this is insane how much it's like, what? Day one complete. This is what they were able to do. Now this is our old toilet. We still have to go and get one. The one we ordered, Lowe's doesn't have ready. And so we're probably going to pick out a new one that they do have in stock just so we can get this going and done with. And they finished the counter installation. We have to get new faucets. That's our old faucet right there. Because the ones we picked out weren't the right style, like for what we needed, if that makes sense. But yeah, this is going to be awesome! I'm so excited. They're doing such an amazing job. I'm really happy with it. And I'm going to keep documenting the process so you guys can see this bathroom transform because I'm so excited. Day 3. I didn't record day 2 just because not a whole lot was done as far as you guys would notice, but today I will show you. So we got our new floors. It's so pretty. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And they laid the concrete base for the custom shower. Yesterday, this is one of the things that they did. I'm gonna want to get knobs for this. Even if they're just like, I think there's magnetic knobs. I do. I really think that there are, and I want to get those. But they redid the drains, like the plumbing. They had to reconfigure all of it because this countertop, this like vanity, it has a drawers. And the other one didn't. And the pipes, how they went in were just, you guys probably want to see me, but I look crazy because I just took off all of my fire makeup. I still have glitter everywhere. Ugh. But anyways, they had to redo the plumbing and like how on the outside of the house to kind of move everything back because it was pushing the drawers out. Yeah, but anyways, I'm so excited. I don't really have much to say. I really look crazy. That's pretty much it for the day. Is the floors and the shower and the plumbing. And I don't know, did I show you guys the faucets we picked out? They're really pretty. I like it. And the countertop is super nice. Day 4 of work. They installed the new toilet, which I like. And they did the base of the shower and this outside paneling here. And they put this up on the wall so they can lay the shower tiles. What is this, like, is this day 4, day 5? I quit counting. I'm gonna quit counting. So I can't keep track.
It's day 7.
Is it day, it's not day 7. They haven't worked 7 days.
Yeah, because they started last Monday.
But they skipped a day. And it's Sunday.
Okay.
So I guess it's day 5.
It looks pretty.
What is this called, honey? They put on the wall?
Texture?
Yeah, kind of, yeah. They textured the wall. They're going to paint tomorrow. And they put in our new light. He's going to put a new trim all the way around. Put our new vent up there. He's going to fix around that. We were a little short on tile, so he's going to finish the tile tomorrow after he goes and picks up some more. It's turning out so awesome. Like, you guys don't understand how in love I am. Like, this is one heck of a beautiful custom shower. Like, what? I'm so happy. So happy. And just to show you guys again the floor. So here's the floor. And then look at the shower tiles we chose. Like, everything just blends so well. Like, oh yes. I'm super, super happy with it. And it's not even finished, but he said it will be completed by the end of tomorrow. So, yeah. Stay tuned for that. Okay, so all of the work is done, and the bathroom is amazing. I love it so much. I can't even, it blows my mind how amazing our new bathroom is. So, without further ado, let me show you what we working with, ooh. Okay, so first thing is first, I want to show you guys me walking in. So reverse. Wow. Oh my gosh. Quick little view of everything. Oh wait, that's the other room. Quick little view. All right, so starting with appliances, we got a new we have a new toilet, which I think is really nice. We're not gonna focus on that too much. These are the style of laminate that we chose. We love earth tones. It's got gray. It's got like burgundy and beige and like a little bit of like a golden maroon happening, which I just freaking love. Here's my little slippers. You guys want to see my slippers? They're unicorns. Oh, my wig's in the way. They're so cute. Anyways, I really love the floors. A blue bath mat, which is super cozy to step out of when you get out of the custom shower. So, here's our shower head. The tiling is just, it takes my breath away. Every night when I shower in here, I'm like, do I have to get out? Before, this shower was just a white plastic, normal run-of-the-mill, outdated, gross looking white, like, oh my gosh, I can't. And now we have a custom tile shower. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Like, I am in love with this. The shower is my favorite part. I've always wanted a tile shower. I call it a resort shower. Takes me back to when, can I talk? It takes me back to when me and my husband went on our honeymoon at the Andes Resort in Scottsdale, Arizona. The whole shower was tile and it was large and just beautiful. And I love the feel of, like, I would never shower like out in nature. Maybe a waterfall, maybe? I don't know. But this gives me that feel that I am in nature. You know, instead of like a plastic white chamber. I really, really like this so much. He did such a good job on this. Like, literally amazing. And here is this part here. So he tiled all of that, which was an excellent touch. Also tiled here, all the way around. We chose, gosh, what paint color was this? I can't remember, but it's really pretty. It goes so well. It's like a brown beige, like, I don't know, but it's really nice. And here's the mirror. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? Just kidding. I don't know what my weave is doing today. It just doesn't, I don't know. But this mirror is really pretty. Can I back up far enough you guys can see it? There we go. It is so gorgeous. And the light, at night when you flip the switch off, our light kind of glows in the dark for like 3 seconds. And I love it. At first I thought, is my head playing tricks on me? No. It's really pretty. We're going to replace this window. This is the old window from before, but we're going to replace that at some point. And I'm sorry the faucets are dirty. I didn't clean the sink, but that is our sink. We went with this color and this tone of fixtures all over, which I really, really like. And here is our countertop. Speckled with earth tones, which I love. I just love my new bathroom so much. And we have his and hers sinks, so no more being like, you know, after brushing our teeth when we both need to spit at the same time. And we don't want to spit on each other's heads. You get my drift. So it's really nice having our own sinks. I really like that. It's beautiful and I love it. It's everything I could have imagined. And not done yet. Still need to accessorize and put up decor and light fixture thingies, those little things that go over the switches, because yeah,
I cut my finger on it.
but I'm okay. We do need to cover those up, but anyways, I love it. Oh, he did repaint the ceiling, so that looks nice. He put a bunch of trim all the way around, which I really like. It's really pretty. So cute. Whoa, like really zoomed. Okay, we're going to zoom in more. We're going to zoom away. But I absolutely love my bathroom. And thank you guys so much for watching the transition of bathroom to bathroom. Thank you guys so much, literally, for watching my videos. Please leave a like. It really makes me happy. And stay tuned for more videos because they're coming. Trust me. Stay fantabulous, and as always, I will stay fantabulous for you guys. Bye!